Mr. Dilip Ghosh, he is the president of Bharatiya Janata Party, Bengal. Now, why he is making these statements, only he can reply. But my approach to politics is somewhat different. I don't believe in terror politics, nor do I believe in attacking people unnecessarily. A political activist or a people's representative is supposed to work for the benefit and welfare of the people. You need not continuously attack your opponents using foul language. That is not my approach to politics. We are in a democracy. People have a right to protest. Sometimes these protests are justified. Sometimes they are illogical. Nevertheless, as they have the right to protest, you have to give them that space. What we can do, the issue is Citizens Amendment Act. What we need to do right now is to explain to people the benefits and merits of CAA. What I have suggested to my party leadership, that with a little modification and a little amendment to the CAA, the entire opposition campaign would fizzle out. We need to specifically state that it is meant for persecuted minorities. We should not mention any religion because it is not based on religion, as clarified by the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji. So what is the issue all about? We are making a non-issue into a major issue in the country. So I think instead of attacking people who are critical of us, we need to think positive. We need to explain to people that this is people-friendly. This is not against any community or religion. This is not a Hindu-Muslim issue. And the matter would end there. I think our approach should be completely different. You see, in India, every person has a right. What we are saying is that certain left liberals are creating a fuss. The left liberals also have a political space in the country, and they have a right to protest and oppose. Our job is to explain to the people that we are right and they are wrong. But you cannot be abusive. You cannot say that they will not be able to show their faces. Of course they will show their faces. They have a right to show their face. They represent also in Parliament. Maybe they don't have the numbers. But just because we have the numbers today, we cannot do terror politics. Because today we have the numbers, it may reverse. It is with the people. If they want, they will elect us again. If they want, they will remove us from power. So let's be careful. Let us go to the people with our mandate. Let us go to the people explaining the benefits of CAA. It would be lovely if it could be modified, the suggestions that I have submitted. But let's not get aggressive because terror politics has no place in India.